Let's get our day rolling now with Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. Well, Joe, the Fed has spoken. We have earnings coming up and the jobs report at the end of the week. What matters most to this market?
Yeah, so the market's always been keyed in on the economic data. The Fed continues to say that their tightening will be economic data dependent. So this jobs number is going to be very important.
Joe, I'm hearing reports that the very wealthy are concerned about inflation and they are doing some adjusting in their portfolios. What do you think about that situation?
Yeah, well, that's a great point. Everyone's expecting this inflation to be a little hotter than expected and to be here for the rest of the next year, at least. And the first thing to know is that the thing that gets hurt the most is cash. When you're holding through inflation. Of course, it's a little easier for wealthy people. Borrowing money is really advantageous during times of inflation. We'll see if the Fed makes that harder or not going out for the next couple of years. But broadly with the stock market, just looking at that, people have been playing that ahead of this, expecting that, and really got into some growthy names, really drove their valuation way too high from my point of view. Just looking at a company like Tesla just in the last week, just to have 500 billion added to it in market value is just a real head scratcher. It's hard to see how that valuation is going to play out over the next couple of years, but we'll see. For me, equities may remain a really good spot when inflationary times, but I'd rather put it into more value-oriented companies, more companies that can maintain that valuation, and companies that'll have that pricing power to raise prices as things go higher. And for me, just looking at just in general, small cap value names look really attractive to me compared to a lot of these growthy names.
Always good to get your trader talk. Thank you as always, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.